My name's Todd Plaisted. I'm the president and CEO of Plaisted Companies Incorporated. Well, we started the company in 1990. We had 350 acres here that my dad purchased back when he was in the ready-mix business for future reserves, and he sold his companies in 1988 and held onto the property. In '90, he started playing with the land, started playing with the sand, and making mason sand for block layers. We made some Class 5 gravel, a few construction products. Then one day the Princeton Golf Club came in and said, hey, I need 500 tons for bunker sand. And so we worked with Texas A&M and the USGA and perfected the bunker sand and sold them 500 tons. Well, we thought that was the biggest order we ever had, ever. So we took those pails of sand and started driving around all the other golf courses and became what we are today, a #1 golf supplier in the whole upper Midwest. There's a few predominant golf courses out there like the TPC of Twin Cities, Hazeltine National, Bear Path, Braemar Golf, the Olympic Hills redid their whole facility here a few years back. Very high-end golf courses that have trusted us with our products. And not only do we supply this market, but with our peat companies, we supply golf courses and sports fields throughout the whole country. As we grew in the golf and sports field business, we became known as kind of the #1 specialty soils business in the area. So anytime there was a new product that came out, they always came to us and talked to us about, hey, can you do this product or this product? With that, when you have people that are building the Twin Stadium come to us and start talking to us about drainage, about organic matter, some of these technical terms, we understand their language. We can talk to them. We can change a number of things by owning all our resources. We can change the peat, we can change the sand, we can change the percolation, so we can meet their needs. Early on, as we got into the blending business, we found out that we couldn't always be very accurate blending products just with a bucket on a front end loader. We developed a 2-bin blender called the AccuBlender, where we were able to blend a sand peat mix. A few years later, we developed a 4-bin blender. We can also add some fertilizer components. They're incredible machines and incredible accuracy. The neat thing about our AccuBlender is that we have the ability to store the different blends we do in the iPad of the loader that runs the AccuBlender. So whether we're delivering mason sand to a mason, black dirt to a homeowner, or doing a large MnDOT project, we can manufacture the soils to meet that specification. We also have a bagging plant on site where we can put product in a super sack. Our peat actually goes in a 31 by 31 by 90 inch bag and is shipped all over the country. We have smaller bags where we put our rooftop garden mix in so we can actually bring them to the site and they hoist it on top of the roof of the crane. We make a colored sand for golf courses. We have a green sand for divot fill. Typically, when you put sand in a divot, it kind of magnifies the blemish. By coloring it green, it kind of tends to hide it until the grass regrows through that divot. Online ordering has been a great tool. Our customers are able to go online, view the products, use the online calculator to figure out how much product they need, and we're able to deliver that product directly to them. We also have a landscape store that we supply hardscapes to contractors and do-it-yourself homeowners. We have retaining wall, we have pavers, we have outdoor kitchens, we have fire pits, we have fireplaces. We have an outdoor showroom that displays all these products from 4 or 5 different vendors. Several years ago, we developed a Plaisted Companies charitable giving program. We put so many cents for every ton into an account. So we use that money to sponsor things like youth sports, scholarships, and the local food shelf. Plaisted Companies has always been a family business. We feel our employees are part of the family. But now to have my 2 boys in the business, we've really stepped it up a notch. They came in with bright ideas. One loves sales and marketing, one loves operations. So as they come into the office, it's just been a real joy. Family business, I think all the decisions are made right here on site within minutes. Anyone can walk into our office. Our doors are always open. We walk around, say hi to the employees, see how they're doing, ask them if we can help them with any more technology. It's been a family-owned business from the start and continues to be a family-owned business to this day. One of our core values is that the customer is above all else, and we have a commitment to excellence. Whether it's the online ordering, the GPS truck tracking, the quality assurance, we're always looking out for the best interests of the customer.